Quick update, guys. Victor Isibor speaking. I saw a screenshot, this particular screenshot, on a particular WhatsApp group. Somebody dropped it, and the said person was trying to use it to advertise NHIRE. Okay? And this is the screenshot of the Nation newspaper dated 26th June. If you zoom in, you'll see they dated it 26th June. Let me show you. Yeah, brush. Look at it. 26th June. All right? Trying to, make this look like an official and legitimate claim. All right? 26th June 2023. Now, zoom it out. Look at the said claim here as a headline. Federal government grants NHIRE's permission to operate legally in Nigeria to help curb unemployment amongst youth. The moment I saw this screenshot, I know 100% that NHIRE is a scam and it's a Ponzi scheme, and I already reviewed and exposed it on my YouTube channel. So seeing this screenshot, I knew that people would be deceived to start reconsidering their stance on NHIRE. These guys are getting really desperate. Now you go and edit a public newspaper, a reputable newspaper company, you edit it, you advertise your Ponzi scheme on it, and you take the screenshot to groups and you start spreading it on social media as if it were true, as if it were real. How desperate can people be? Just to scam your fellow Nigerians, you become a graphic designer. Instead of you to take your graphic designer skills and use it to do something legitimate, you want to be using it to do scam edits. See, the internet is your friend, and you should always question and query everything. I went on the internet and I looked for the original The Nation newspaper cover of 26th of June 2023. Let me show you what I found. Look at it. This is the original The Nation cover for June 26th, 2023. I simply fact-checked what the person posted. It's as simple as that. And that is what majority of you don't know how to do. And that is why you should be subscribed to this YouTube channel, because I will always expose any lie aimed at fleecing you or extorting you or scamming you. Look at it yourself. June 26th, 2023, The Nation newspaper. Please, let me beg you. Is there anything like NHIRE here? Look at the highlighted headline. They say, why discourse are bent on electricity tariffs increase. This is a news that is relevant to Nigerians. This is a news that contributes positively to the information and worldview of Nigerians. Not NHIRE. This is what they removed. They just removed this one using their fraudulent graphic designer. They removed it. You see, every other thing remains normal. Only this one was what they removed. They removed it. Then they wrote this nonsense here. Let me show you the nonsense they now wrote. They now wrote this nonsense and put it here. Every other picture remains the same. Please, this further shows you, this further validates the fact that NHIRE is a scam, and this is fake. Fake, oh, it is fake. Fake. Let me show you the original. I'll slide to the right. I'll show you the original. This is the original The Nation newspaper of 26th June 2023. Don't let them go. So they have started editing newspaper now. They will go and edit newspaper and advertise their Ponzi there. Please, be smart. Don't fall victim. The economy is hard. To make money is even harder now. So it will be very, very sad for you to make money legitimate somewhere. Some group of miscreants, fraudulent Yahoo boys behind laptop will collect it from you. Be smart, guys. Thank you. I remain Victor Isibor. I'm out.